Let's meet Mr. Ronald, using an Android phone for the last 4 years. But a few days ago, his phone suddenly fell from his hand and the screen got damaged. He became depressed and searched for the phone repairing expert. Meanwhile, one of his friends suggested him to opt for iTech Xpress. While searching online, he went through their previous customers' reviews and decided to contact them for help. He finally called them by dialing 626-777-4747 and shared all his phone issues with their experts. Their trained and experienced professionals suggested him to go to their nearby store with his damaged phone. After visited their store, he got same-day screen replacement service at affordable prices. He was very satisfied with their Android phone screen repair service. Are you in the same situation? Immediately visit your nearby iTech Xpress store, or if you have any further query regarding their offered services, visit https://xpressinc.com/.